Range extender. Router. Connect two devices using cable. The range extender has two cable connection ports. You connect to the main router via one. On the main router, use the LAN interface. Power on. LEDs. Booting. Cable. Main router. Connect one end of the cable to the main router via the LAN interface. After setting up the range extender, I connect the other end of the cable. Phone. Settings. Wi-Fi. Range extender not found. Refresh. 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 Extender. Connect. No password. Router mode settings. Next. SSID. Wireless network name. Router mode. Security. WPA to PSK mode. Wi-Fi password. 12345678. Next. Finish. It takes about 30 seconds to apply changes. Wi-Fi light is on. WAN light is on. Connect cable. Connect cable via WAN interface. 1. Wait until the Wi-Fi light is on. Wi-Fi light is on. WAN light is on. Search for new wireless networks. Refresh. This is the wireless network on range extender. Router mode. Password. 12345678. Connect. Connected. Details. The IP address of the range extender remains unchanged. Done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck. Speed test. Go. Download. 41. With a cheap device, you should only use it with a small number of connected devices. Upload. 50.